Welcome to my channel. We have discussed the partnership theoretical aspects and fundamental aspects in the previous video. Today we are going to discuss how to prepare partnership final accounts and the profit and loss appropriation account. We already know how to prepare final accounts of sole trader organization. The procedure for preparation of final accounts of partnership firm is the same like sole proprietorship business except a few things. Now we will see how to prepare final accounts of partnership firm. The daily transactions of partnership firm are recorded according to the principles of the double entry system only. First, we have to prepare manufacturing account if the partnership firm carry out manufacturing activities. If it is a trading organization, we have to prepare trading and profit and loss account to ascertain the profitability. In sole proprietorship, the profit or loss in the profit and loss account is transferred directly to the sole proprietor's capital account, because in case of sole trader organization, the sole trader is the owner of the business and he alone can enjoy the profits of the business, and he does not have to share the profit with anyone. In case of partnership, profit and loss appropriation account is prepared, to which net profit or loss from profit and loss account is transferred. In the profit and loss appropriation account, adjustment for interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary and other remuneration due to partners are shown. Finally, the balance in the appropriation account is transferred to the partner's capital account in the profit sharing ratio. The balance sheet of a partnership concern shows the balance in the individual capital accounts of the partners. Now we will see what is profit and loss appropriation account. First, you should understand what is appropriation. Appropriation means distribution. In profit and loss appropriation account, we are going to distribute the profits that arise from the profit and loss account. We generally prepare profit and loss account to find out the net profit or loss of the business. We record all the expenses and losses in the debit side and incomes and gains in the credit side of the profit and loss account. The difference between the income and expenses will be net profit or loss of the business. Any profit of the business transferred to the profit and loss appropriation account in the partnership accounts. Let me explain clearly how the profits of the partnership business is distributed to the profit and loss appropriation account. Generally, the business kept reserves out of the profit of the business. The purpose of reserves is to meet the unexpected future needs of the business. And next, from the profit, we have to distribute the amounts due to the partners. And what are the amounts due to the partners? Interest on capital, that is, the partners invest capital to the business and they expect something in return from the business. So, the interest on capital for the partners is to be distributed out of the profits of the business. Next, partners are allowed to receive salary, commission and any other remuneration if the partnership deed allowed. Any salary to the partners will be distributed out of the profits of the firm. If the partner advance by way of loan a sum of money, he is entitled to receive interest on the loan amount from the net profits of the firm. The firm charge interest on the drawings made by the partners. Since this amount is due from the partners, to the firm, it will be added to the net profits. After all these adjustments, the balance being the profit or loss is transferred to the partner's capital account or partner's current account. Up to now, we have discussed what is profit and loss appropriation account. Now, I am going to explain the format of profit and loss appropriation account. After finding the profit or loss, by preparing profit and loss account, we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account is the extension of profit and loss account. Okay. Generally, profit and loss appropriation account is prepared at the end of every year. First, write the heading profit and loss appropriation account and write the partnership firm name and also the year. Start with the profit or loss revealed by the usual profit and loss account. If there is net profit revealed by the profit and loss account, it will be shown on the credit side of the P&L appropriation account. If any loss arrived in profit and loss account, that will be shown on the debit side of the P&L appropriation account. Record all the expenses due to the partners. What are the amounts due to the partners? Interest on capital, any salary to the partner or commission to the partners, interest on partners' loan. All these items are expenses and given to partners out of the profits. So, record all these expenses in the debit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. The partnership firm decides to transfer a portion of the profit to any reserve. That amount also will be shown on the debit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. Any amount due from the partners will be entered on the credit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. Interest on drawings is the amount due from the partners and it will be recorded on the credit side. After making all these adjustments, the net profit or net loss revealed will be transferred to the partner's capital account or partner's current account. Always remember, only the transactions between the partners and the partnership firm will be recorded in the profit and loss appropriation account. While recording these transactions, in the absence of partnership deed, the provisions of Indian Partnership Act 1932 will apply. The provisions of Indian Partnership Act explained in detail in my previous video. The link is given in the description box. Please refer the previous video for the provisions of Indian Partnership Act. I think now you understand the profit and loss appropriation account clearly. Thank you.